It's me, Ellie Sparkles. Do you like making slime? Yeah! Good, because we are making slime today in this mystery punch board challenge. That means we'll be punching this board and getting some mystery ingredients. But we'll need a friend to play with us. I wonder who we can get to play. Marshall? No, he's busy today. Chase? One of the PJ Masks? Oh, Romeo! I wonder what you're doing here. Oh, you want to play slime. Okay, you can play with me, but just make sure you don't cheat, okay? The rules of the game are, we're gonna pick one of these balls from this bowl, and whatever number we get, we had to punch on the punch board. So if we get 1, we had to punch 1. And then we got to use the mystery ingredient in there to make our slime. We're gonna go 3 times to get 3 ingredients. But there's one catch. If you get switch up, that means you have to switch the bowl with the other person. Are you ready to play, Romeo? Do you understand the rules? Okay, let's rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Yes! I win! That means I get to go first. Before I pick my ball, we gotta get our bowls out. Perfect. Here you go, Romeo. All right, I'm super excited to see what number I get first. And I got 6. Awesome. Let's see what's behind number 6. 1, 2, 3. And I got, cool, purple glue. That's one of my favorite colors. Do you know what colors make up purple? That's right, blue and red. Awesome. Let me just put that in my bowl. Whoa. Isn't this so cool, Romeo? Okay, I think I almost got it all out. Whoop. Okay, Romeo, let's switch places, and it's your turn to pick a ball. And you got the number 3. I can't wait to see what's behind number 3. It's pretty far away. You got it? 1, 2, 3. What's in there? Clear glue. This is gonna make a really shiny slime. Let's switch places. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. That's a funny noise. Awesome. Do you not like your clear glue, Romeo? Wait, Romeo, no. You can't take my bowl. It's not switched up yet. Okay, everyone, it's time for my 3rd ball. What is that, Romeo? You want me to close my eyes? Okay, but don't cheat. Oh, where'd it go? I can't see. I'm going to pick this one. Romeo! Are these all switch-ups? That's not fair. I guess I have to switch my bowl with you. Oh, I don't want clear glue. Okay, because I'm not a cheater, I'm gonna give you the real bowl. Oop. Here you go, Romeo. Are you ready for your second ball? You got 2. Okay, let's see what's behind number 2. 1, 2, 3, and... What'd you get? Confetti, that's awesome! Oh, okay. Oh, go ahead and put it in your bowl. You're gonna have such cool slimes. I wish I got that. I'm Ellie Sparkles. That looks so good. Romeo, I'm so jealous. Oh man, my slime is really, really plain so far, and this is my last ball. I hope I get something colorful. Ready? Number 8. I hope this is a good one. 8. 1, 2, 3. Oh, feels soft. What? It's white balls in my clear glue. It's gonna be super plain. Okay, that's the rule of the game. Whoa, they look like little snowballs. They're super light. At least the slime's gonna be super crunchy. Do you hear that, Romeo? I have such a plain slime. I think it looks pretty cool though. Okay, let's switch around. Time for your last ball, Romeo. You're so lucky, you're gonna get such a cool one. What is that? Romeo, you got switch up! You know what that means? This is mine now. Don't be sad, that looks really, really cool too. I just love sparkles though. Okay, Romeo, do you know what else makes slime? You need the activator. And I have some activator right here. So I'm gonna put half of this in mine, and you're gonna put the rest of it in yours. Ooh. Here you go. And we just have to stir. I like your slime, Romeo. It looks like a snowball. This is turning out awesome. The confetti looks super cool in this one. Ooh, icky and gooey. Romeo, I got so messy mixing my slime, but I think I'm pretty much done. Are you? Awesome. Let's show the boys and girls out there what our slimes look like. Whoa, it's so stretchy. Whoa, it's gonna snap. Oh, just keep stretching. Let's look at your slime, Romeo. Can you stretch it out really, really far? Whoa, look at all the balls in there. That looks so cool. Okay, boys and girls, let us know in the comments below. Do you like my purple confetti slime that's super stretchy? Or do you like Romeo's white ball and clear slime? It's pretty awesome, and it has a crunching noise because of the balls that are inside it. Romeo, you better watch out or I'll slime you. No, don't slime me, Romeo, or I'll slime you back. Okay, everyone, thank you so much for joining us on our Mystery Punchboard Slime Challenge video. Maybe we'll do even more slime videos in the future. Just make sure to give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, everyone, keep sparkling, and Ellie